Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar and see what's going on outside. So as you can see, we've got some showers still moving through the county, lingering around. Could see some thunderstorms. We've actually got a strong one that could impact part of the county here momentarily between now and 7:30. And nothing severe to worry about, though. Just going to be a lot of noise coming from this one, maybe some gusty winds, but nothing in terms of worrying about tornadoes or anything like that. So just certainly be weather aware over the next hour or so. And otherwise, I mean, like I said, it's not anything to be too concerned with. Just something to keep your eyes on if you're out driving or anything like that, because there could be some pockets of heavy rain in there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look overall. So we've got snow moving through the central portion of Tennessee. That's going to continue to track east as it goes through the day, and will actually make some snow flurries, some mixed precipitation over in the Knoxville area as it continues to move into eastern Tennessee. Once it reaches the border counties between Tennessee and North Carolina, it's actually going to be all snow, and those folks could see up to 2 inches of snow in some locations there. But we won't see snow here. It's going to remain all rain here. Let's go ahead and get back in closer to the county and talk about what's going on out there right now. So you can see Woodleaf, Salisbury, Cleveland, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Enochville, some of those areas still getting a little bit of light rain. And again, we're keeping our eyes on the chance for a strong area of strong thunderstorm activity right here. And we'll see. I mean, like I said, it's not anything that's going to be severe, so nothing to be too concerned with as we move through the day. Let's go ahead and switch over to the model data now, because that's what's going to have the impact on us as we go through the day today. So this is coming up on 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10, 11, going on 12 noon, 1 p.m. You can see once we get to noon, we dry out, or we start to dry out. Let's go ahead and bring up the temperatures, though, because that's going to be the big factor for us. And we'll take it into the evening hours, because these temperatures are going to be what's going to change as we go through the afternoon and into the evening. So right here, looking at, well, let's go ahead and just take you into Salisbury here, and we'll see we're looking at 55 degrees. So mid 50s around the county, essentially, as we head now to, let's see, that is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still in the mid 50s. There are some pockets of, oh, sorry, that changed over to rain on me. So we're still at 2 o'clock in the afternoon here, going on 3 o'clock, still in the mid 50s, 4 o'clock, low to mid 50s. There are some upper 40s starting to eke their way into the Cleveland area. Let's go ahead and head to 5 o'clock now. You see now in the mid to upper 40s around the county. 6 o'clock, mid to upper 40s. 7 o'clock, mid to upper 40s. 8 o'clock tonight, starting to see some upper 30s creep in, low to mid 40s around the county. By 9 o'clock, more upper 30s in the area. There are some pockets of warm air still hanging around, keeping some areas in the low 40s. It's now 10 p.m., still a mix of upper 30s, low 40s around the county. 11 p.m., still seeing a mix of upper 40s, or excuse me, upper 30s, low 40s. Now midnight, still kind of seeing that mix. Going on 1 a.m., still seeing the mix. 2 a.m., mainly in the upper 30s at this point. Salisbury looking at 39 degrees again, and this is at, we're looking at, looks like, sorry, my mind went blank on me. 2 a.m. here, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the low 30s now by 4 a.m., 5 a.m., still in the low 30s, 6 a.m., and we're looking at 34 degrees in Salisbury at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then by 7 a.m., look at this, we've got some low 30s starting to creep in to the area. So low to mid 30s, maybe even below freezing in some of these locations. And that's going to have an impact on what happens with us as we go through the day tomorrow. So let's go ahead and head over and talk about the current temperatures right now. And as you can see, we've got temperatures in the low 50s around the county. 51 in Spencer, or East Spencer, 50 in Salisbury, 50 out toward Cleveland. We've got 53 in China Grove, 51 in Enochville, 54. I mean, it's low to mid 50s around the county, depending on your location. And keep in mind that 24 hours from now, we're going to be in the low to mid 30s. So a big swing in temperatures with this cold front that's coming through. Once all this rain gets out of the way, that's when the cold air is going to really start to move in. Key thing too with today is we're going to see some gusty winds And we'll talk about that and the weather impacts in just a moment. Rainfall totals through 7 a.m. this morning. And so this is from yesterday when the rain started until 7 a.m. this morning, looking at anywhere from a little over 1 inch of rainfall up to a little over 1.5 inches, depending on where you are. And let's take a look now at the weather impacts. These are sponsored by Patterson Farms Incorporated. The greenhouse is open until December the 23rd. Hours of operation Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Head on out, get your Christmas poinsettia, any other type of plant that you utilize to decorate with during the holiday season. And they can help you out there. Also, some fundraising going on as well. All the information is available on their website. You can actually get to it by visiting RowanCountyWeather.com. This same banner that you see at the bottom of the screen is at the top of the homepage on RowanCountyWeather.com. Click on that banner. It'll take you directly to the Patterson Farms Incorporated website with all the details on the fundraising and how to purchase poinsettias and other various items as well. Today, we'll see showers and thunderstorms becoming scattered as we move through the morning hours, decreasing clouds by the afternoon. Winds will be out of the south at around 15 miles per hour with gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. As we head into the afternoon, once the showers and storms clear out, we'll start to see mostly cloudy skies by the evening. Winds are going to shift out of the west, and they'll settle down quite a bit as we get later in the evening, but just got to get through the biggest part of the day. So just keep in mind the winds will be gusty throughout the day today. And the later we get to the evening, the more the cold front moves east of us, the winds will start to decrease in activity. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention that you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. So let's see here. We've got Monday thunderstorms, 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms. And that's going to decrease rapidly as we go through the morning hours. High of 63 degrees. We'll see mostly cloudy skies by this evening. We'll get down to around 32 degrees overnight. On Tuesday, it's going to be really, really cold out there. 44 degrees for the high, and we're going to struggle to get to that. So we'll probably spend most of the day on Tuesday in the upper to low 40s before finally making our way to 44 degrees. And then we're going to drop back pretty quickly as the sun goes down. We're going to drop down to 25 degrees for the low on Tuesday night. And just to give you some context here, that's going to be the coldest temperature we've seen so far this season. I'll look back in the records here later today and tell you when the last time was we saw a temperature of at least 25 or lower for the low temperature. But the other thing is this is a very deep pocket of cold air. I mean, it goes actually all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And it's been a long time since there's been any kind of winter weather alerts issued for the Gulf Coast, but they've got freeze warnings all along the Gulf Coast that are going to go into effect because of this deep pocket of cold air. So that's how deep it is and how strong it is for us. And again, 44 degrees for the high on Tuesday, 25 for the low. On Wednesday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 51, low of 26 with mostly clear skies. On Thursday, partly sunny skies, high of 54, mostly cloudy by Thursday evening with a low of 37. And then on Friday, we've got isolated rain chances that are going to come back in for the weekend. 30% chance of isolated showers on Friday, a high of 55 and a low of 36. Remember, we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, and you're probably doing some Christmas shopping or looking to take in some festivities of any type for the holidays. Well, our friends at Your Rowan can help you out by helping you visit local this holiday season. They've got all the information you need on their website. Visit the forecast page on RowanCountyWeather.com. You'll see the Visit Local graphic right beside of the 5-day forecast. Just click on that graphic. It will take you over to the Your Rowan website, and all the details are available there. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television at WSRG TV in Salisbury. That is available on Hotwire channel 394 and Spectrum channel 16. And we'll take care of you there. We'll keep you updated as we go through the day on the rain, on any concerns that might come up with the weather. Again, the wind's going to be the big impact for us today. And then as we get into the evening hours, the cold air is really going to funnel in here pretty quickly. So bundle up if you head out this evening. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy your Monday, everybody.